Hello, we're gonna talk about present perfect simple. We use this tense. We use this tense to talk about an action that is happened in the past and the result exists now in present. The form we use subject pronoun I, you, we, they plus have plus verb plus ed if it is a regular verb. If it is regular. A regular verb we have to study first past participle. I, you, we, they plus have plus the verb in the past participle written. Okay? He, she, it has worked or has written. So we have to study first past participle. Okay? Interrogative. We start with have or has. We start with have or has. Plus I, you, we, they worked. Have, I, you, we, they, and the verb irregular, written. We will start with he, we will start with has, he, she, it worked, has, he, she, it written. So we have to study past participle first. Okay, and now we will move to the negative. We use haven't or hasn't. Look at the board. I, you, we, they haven't worked. Regular verb. I, you, we, they haven't written. Irregular. He, she, it hasn't worked. He, she, it hasn't written. So this is the negative form. The uses of these tense. Number one, for an action that happened in the past but whose results are obvious in the present. It means exist in the present. Okay, look at the car. It's dirty. Look at the second picture. The man is washing the car. The third picture, look at the car. It has cleaned. Look, John's car is dirty. Number one. John's car is dirty. He washes the car. He washes the car. He has washed the car. He has washed the car. Then the result exists. Okay? Another picture. Number two, for an action that has just finished. For an action that has just finished. The action finished in a very short time. Look at the boy. Mark is having lunch. Mark is having lunch now. He has just had lunch. Look at his plate. He has just had lunch. He has just finished his lunch. Okay. Time expressions. Just. It means in a very short time. Number three, for an action that started in the past and hasn't finished. Look at the picture. In 2000, we lived, we bought the house in 2000. We still live in the neighborhood. We have lived here for 15 years. We have lived here since 2000. We use since and for. Since, we use it in a certain time. But for, we use it when we talk about period of time. Number 4, for an action that happened in unspecified time. Look at the first picture. This room is messy, and they are cleaning the room, and then this is the result. The children have tidied their room. The children have tidied their room. Tidy, we drop Y and put IED. This is the past participle. The children have tidied their room. Their room. When? When? We don't know the time exactly. Time expressions, we have to study these words: ever, never, just, already, for, yet, since, how long. Ever in affirmative sentence, never in negative sentence, just and already between the two parts of the verb has or have, just already, just or already, and then the past participle. We use yet at the end of the sentence in negative sentence or in questions. Yet. For, we use it when we talk about period of time. Since, when we talk about a certain time. How long, we use it to ask about the period of time. I'll show you some examples. Now we will talk about already and yet. I have already got dressed. Look, I have already got dressed. I haven't done my homework yet. I haven't done my homework yet. I haven't finished my homework. So, I haven't done my homework yet. Has Sarah called yet? Has Sarah called yet? Look at the picture. We are waiting. We are still waiting. Okay. Have gone, have been to. There is a great difference between them. Have gone, it means that Mary has gone to London. Mary has gone to London. I miss her so much. Mary has gone to London. I miss her so much. She's still there. She's still there. Mary has gone to London and she's still there. Okay? Have you ever been to London? Have you ever been to London? The difference here, I have been to London, I have gone and come back. Then we use been when we talk about a person gone and come back. It means now he's not there. He come back. Of course, I have been to London a lot of times. It's such an amazing city. Okay. Now we're gonna talk about present perfect through games. Look at the picture. The won the Nobel Prize, have, what? Yes, guess. Has, has, or I have? I think have. I have won the Nobel Prize. Good. Correct answer. Have. David have bought a new car. David will have or has. Think about it. David Yes, has. David has boat. Andrew and Anne that played windsurf. Have or has or were. Think about it. Andrew and Anne, two persons. So we use have. That's good, right? The next, Kelly and me. That gone to the gym. Has or have or was. Yes, have, because the two persons, Kelly and me, have gone to the gym. The next, you that caught a lot of fish. You have or has or did. Huh? Think about it. Yes, you have caught a lot of fish. Good. The next, I have. I have. The television. Listened or got or watched. Good. Watched. I have watched television. Very good. The next, we have the compare in the party. We have played or come or danced. We have danced. We have danced. Good. Correct answer. Has to music. Listened or watched or cried. Listened or watched or cried. Amber has, yes, listened. Listened to music. I think now everything's clear. If you have any questions, ask me. Thanks.